All right, so this is my Electra Ace of Spades bike, and it comes with this lithium battery. And you can see it's got a little keyhole here, and it sets right on the middle part of the body of the bike itself. To check it out, if you press this little button, it'll tell you how charged it is. And you can see I've got about 4 bars. I could, use another little bit of a charge, but I wait until it's completely, dead before I charge it. It's powered by this Bosch, which is supposed to be really good. It's called a Go, and I got it from Rich Wagon Bicycle as a present. My girlfriend got it for me. But to get this off, you need to have a key. And you put the key in and you turn it, then you're gonna press this little button on top, and it just pops off and pulls off the bottom. If you notice right here, there's a little lip that goes in front of this part here. So you've gotta, you gotta make sure that you know that. You can also just charge it right on the bike itself by plugging it in right here. So you don't have to take it off of the bike to charge it. But it's easier if you do, and you can bring it inside. So this is your little charging area here, if you leave it on the bike, which we can show you. All right, so let me show you the charger. It's over here. All right, so I'm gonna turn this light on. So it is a Bosch charger, right? And here is your little thing that goes inside of it. This is where you put your thumb to push it. So they're giving you an idea of how you're supposed to put it on the bike itself or on into the battery, okay? And then this end, of course, you would just plug it right into 110, like this right here. Just got to get the plug in right. There we go, just like that. And so now you can either plug it into the battery or you can plug it into the bottom port on the actual bike itself. You do need this key to remove the battery if you're going to remove it. Okay, so let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to do that. All right, so I've got to get the key in there, and you're going to find that your key, it's kind of weird how it goes in, but all you got to do is kind of like smush it in there like that, and then you're going to twist it like this. When you do that, you're going to push this and pop this. So when I turn it like that, I'm going to come up on top there. You see that little button there on that, and I'm just going to push it down, lift it like this. See that? See how it comes loose? Then I can go ahead and I can lift the battery out. Now watch. It just pops out. Just like that. I'm going to turn it so you can see it. So there is the spot where you've got to plug it in. Okay? So then what I would do is bring the battery over to my charging station where I charge all my batteries, and I would just go ahead and I would plug it in right there and then let it charge. And I'll show you that right now. Okay, so let's go ahead and bring it over here. I'm going to set it down there. And then here, when you put it in, you have the top of the battery here, and you have your thumb here, right? And then all you got to do is match it up, right? Let me see if I can get a better view for you guys. All right, so if you notice, there's a little catch right there, and that slides in the very top. So you're just going to push it in like that. And once it's in there, if you look on the side, it's going to tell you, one of the sides here, over here, that it's charging. And you can see it blinking on that top one, right? And that lets you know that you're charging it here. Now to take it off, you just pop it off, right? And I'm going to set it here because I'm going to show you how to charge it on the bike now. And I'm going to show you how to put this battery back on here. All right, you see all that right there? So this, okay, if you look at this, let me slide this over. You see how there's a little lip right there? Well, you see this lip right here? That goes on top of that, all right? So this right here goes on top of here. So don't try to stick it behind it. So then this here and this is going to snap right into these little spots here, okay? So, and you don't need the key. I mean, the key's in there, but you really don't need it. So all you got to do is make sure that you get that over that lip right there, right? And then all I've got to do is just set it down, and it just goes right in. You see? It makes a little snap. I can pull the key out. Now we're good. Now I'm going to show you guys how to plug this part in, okay, and charge it on the bike. I've got to pick the bike up and move it over there, though, to do it. Okay, so I just got to flap this open, right, to get to that plug. All right, so you guys see the plug is going to go in this way. So if you look, you're going to see you've got your little cap on top. You see that little ridge there? Let me see if you guys can see it here. Hang on. There's a little ridge right there. So that goes to the top. And all I got to do is just smush it in there. And as soon as I get it in, you're going to see this. You know what I mean, jelly beans? All right, so now it's charging. And I can just, I could let it charge that way. Or I could, remove the battery like I showed you guys. So when all these are out, that'll be charged. You follow me? Now if you come up here, you're going to see also that it's charging here. And that's basically the two ways that you can charge the bike. You can take the battery off, charge it, or you can charge it while it's on the bike. And you'll notice that you'll see this on your handlebar on your left-hand side. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.